To understand why the monarch population is declining. Our key finding is that the monarch populations are declining beginning in the fall with their fall migration, when they go about 3,000 miles from northern USA and Canada all the way down to central Mexico. And that suggests that's a very, very important finding, because it suggests that milkweed is probably not the limiting thing for monarch populations. At the end of the summer in August, when they begin that epic journey all the way down to Mexico, they no longer are feeding on milkweed, they're not nectaring on their flowers, they are simply making that journey. The only thing they eat then is water and flower nectar from other species like goldenrods. And what we found was that by the time they get to Mexico, their numbers are plummeting. But at the end of the summer, when they start that migration, their numbers are not down. So on the one hand, that presents an important mystery, but it also presents an important finding, or that perhaps planting milkweed will not improve or increase the population as much as we thought in the past. It would be a mistake to think that planting milkweed alone is going to solve this problem. It really appears that things after milkweed is used is what the problem is. We're not sure what's happening to monarchs on their journey south. I can say that a lot of things about the migration are changing. They seem to be migrating faster than they used to be. We don't know why. The things that they critically need on the southern migration are water, nectar from plants other than milkweed, and resting stops on trees. They only fly during the day. They rest on trees in clusters, huge clusters at night. And landscapes that are free of insecticides, and landscapes that are unobstructed in other ways. And so, on the one hand, although it's difficult to know what exactly is the problem, we can say with quite amount of certainty that limitation of milkweed does not seem to be the problem, and these other factors, such as the water and nectar, or other things that may be obstructing their flight path, could be limiting in their populations.